hi there. Wow. So obviously this is a Halloween look. I'm sorry if I scared you by doing the introduction looking like this, and now I'm just speaking like a regular person while looking like an evil witch. I've just been shot in the head. My brain is not functioning anymore. But this is my first Halloween look of this year. I really like how it came out. I can't really see these widescreen lenses are really widescreening my view, so I can't really see, but I know I like this look. I hope you like it as well. And if you want to see how I did it, then just stick around. I'm gonna start light. I'm gonna lightly fill in my brows just so they're a little bit more noticeable than they currently are. I'm using this Maybelline Express Brow Pencil. I hope this is enough because it seems to be a little bit blonde, but let's see. I just want them to be a little bit more defined because I'm gonna be wearing a black wig, and with black hair usually everything seems so faded. Like you gotta really increase the contrast of your makeup. I had black hair when I was about 19, I think, and yeah, I had to do my brows every single day. That was quite annoying. Otherwise I would look really sort of pale almost. I think this will do, just adding a little bit of structure and definition to my brows. I am so excited for Halloween makeup. This is the first one that I'm doing this year and I want to do more. I hope I have the time to do more because I thought about it quite late. It's the 19th of October as I'm filming this video. This is gonna be messy. I'm gonna do a smoky eye. And I have a black pencil right here that I'm gonna blend out and cover with eyeshadow. It's gonna be pretty intense. So I'm gonna just apply this pencil first on my waterline. So starting close to my eye basically and then extending it out. I'm lining underneath my top lashes as well. I never knew that look actually suit me. That's good. Anyway, I'm gonna drag it down a bit, so in between my lower lashes, and then smudging it with a smudge brush. I'm gonna apply this at the base of my lashes. I'm actually gonna bring it much higher on my top lid. So I'm using this as a base for my smoky eye. So it's gonna be a little bit more intense than just applying eyeshadows straight away. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect. You're trying to look like a crazy witch after all. Now let's set this into place with black eyeshadow. Just any black eyeshadow works. I'm gonna use this one from the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in the shade Festival. So I'm picking it up on the same brush, it's fine. I'm gonna stamp it above this pencil. Again, bringing it a bit higher towards my crease. I'm starting at the base of my lashes and kind of going up. So the most pigment is going to be at the base of my lashes and then kind of fading it upwards. Also applying it on my bottom lid. I want to blend the black into a red color, so I'm going to pick it up from the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. It's this deep cherry red, whatever. I'm going to use a Morphe 506 brush and let's blend this out. So I'm applying it above the black. Coming back to my previous brush to kind of blend this edge right here to make sure that the colors are well blended into one another. I'm gonna apply a bit of foundation on my face. I'm gonna go for the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour skin tint in the shade 05.5 just because it's a bit lighter than my other foundations, and I'm trying to look a little bit more pale. I'm quite nervous about how this is gonna go because I've been searching like in my older makeup, and I didn't do a proper Halloween look, I think, since probably 2020. I did a few looks here and there, I just not very complicated ones. This year I want to make up for that. I don't think I'm gonna go for concealer, so I'm just dragging the foundation up towards my under eyes. Just having dark circles is gonna be part of the look. I'm gonna set this with white eyeshadow, again, to kind of enhance the paleness of my skin. And I have a white eyeshadow in this Norvina palette. I'm gonna pick it up. Not sure how this is gonna go. I think it's looking a bit patchy. This was not the best decision, but I'm gonna apply it on the other side as well, because now it has to match. Okay, now I want to kind of extend this red part towards my face to create sort of like a more grungy look. So I'm gonna pick up the red on a fluffier brush. So I'm sort of extending it here. Why do I think today's look is just not it? I truly hope something will come out of it, because right now I just feel like with every step I'm just ruining it more and more. Hopefully it's gonna look decent in the end. I truly hope so. Maybe it will come together. I hope so. I added some mascara and false lashes. Now I want to do my lips before doing the creepier elements of this look. So I'm just gonna do my lips in black with the same eye pencil that I used on my eyes, the Maybelline Tattoo Liner. I'm gonna make sure there is no Vaseline on my lips. Vaseline for the lips, it's the best lip moisturizer. Okay, now I'm gonna do some creepy writing on my face, praying, hoping that I won't summon anything into my home. So I'm just gonna draw some symbols and stuff, and again, hopefully they won't mean anything. I'm scared. I'm just looking up pictures on Pinterest. Not trying to follow any particular one, because what if I found real witches or something? So I'm just taking one symbol from here, one symbol from there. Oh, I love Halloween. Okay, that's enough I think for this part. Although I should go a little above my brows as well. For the final look, I'm not gonna have my bangs down. I'm gonna do a Jupiter symbol because my signature sign is Sagittarius. Anyway, it's a symbol, it works. I'm just gonna do a moon. And I think it's enough for this part. So I have seen a picture on Pinterest. It looks pretty pagan. But I like the fact that it had some little dots around the mouth, as if something like evil came out of it. So I'm gonna attempt to do that with mascara. Okay, that's not bad. And then, for like almost the final part of this look, I want to do sort of like a shot mark in the center of my forehead. And I've seen a video of a girl that did just that with Vaseline flower foundation, so she created some sort of a scar wax herself. So I'm gonna do that. So I have my Vaseline jar here. I use this as a lip moisturizer, it's the best. And I'm gonna scoop some out, put it into my little jar. This is fun. I have some flour. I think about this much. Maybe a little less actually, to avoid having this to be too dry. And then foundation. Would that be enough? I wonder. Let's mix and see. It's actually like a dough, because now that I've mixed it, it doesn't necessarily seem dry anymore. I wonder if I should add more flour. And I think I will add just a bit more flour. Maybe just a bit too wet. I will just form the dough in my hand. And it's going all on my carpet, of course. Yay! It's not necessarily sticky enough now. What do I do? What am I doing wrong? Oh, maybe it sticks, maybe it sticks. I'm gonna make a hole inside. I'm not sure how I'm gonna blend these. I cleaned up the mess. It was giving me a lot of anxiety, but I somehow got these on. Probably after coloring it, it's gonna look a little bit better, I hope. Okay, I'm gonna use a bit of powder on the outer part of this because right now I think it's a little too dark, a little darker than my skin tone. So I'm gonna take this baking powder from Revolution, which is a bit light, so hopefully it's gonna help me blend this into my skin tone. Okay, I'm back to the red. Trying to make it look like a real wound, so I'm coloring it. I don't know how to speak anymore. Coloring this in this pink, red, pink, whatever color, cherry. Coloring the inside as well. I'm gonna add fake blood in it, but I never used fake blood, so I'm not sure how this is gonna go. I think that will be the last step of this look. So I need lenses, wig, fake blood. I bought this really cheap wig that I'm gonna try to put on and make it look as decent as possible. I'm gonna put a scarf on it as well because it's really bad. It's really bad, but it's dark, and yeah, I wanted black hair for this look. Wow, so I have my blood here, my fake blood here. Now the issue is I don't really see. Especially with these lights, I really see just white. I'm not sure, even if I'm filming, I really don't see anything when I'm standing here in the lights, but I'm gonna pick up some blood with a Q-tip. And hopefully that's gonna do it. I'm gonna, I think, just squeeze some here. I need it to drip on my face a bit. I think I might have gotten a little too excited with Halloween and I went all in. But I really like how this look came out. I can't see anything, but I know I like it. I hope you're feeling a little bit inspired for your Halloween looks this year. I can't really take myself seriously when I look like this. So I'm just like being nice and telling you to have a nice day and thank you for watching my video. And I look like an evil witch. Looks can be deceiving. I am nice. So thank you for watching this video. I wish you a very beautiful day and happy Halloween. And stick around because I'm gonna do more Halloween looks because this just got me started. Now I want to do more. Okay, see you next time. Bye!